Video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from YGwigs. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a 22-inch water wave 13x6 HD lace wig. The density is 180% and the hairline is pre-plucked for us because it is HD lace. The wig does come with 4 combs and an adjustable strap. So off camera, to save time, I did bleach the knots and wash and deep condition the hair as well. The next thing that I'm going to do is pluck away some density from the hairline. To do this, I'll be doing the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting. So now that I am satisfied with the way that the hairline looks, it's now time to tint the lace. Tinting the lace as well as plucking extra hairs from the hairline is always optional steps. You do not have to do any of these steps. However, I do feel like it makes a huge difference in the overall install of the wig. I'm going to grab 2 different colors of lace tints. The first one is the color of my foundation, which I'll be spraying along the hairline of the frontal. The next one is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of the frontal. I'll be spraying 2 layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. So now that we have the wig fully prepped, it's now time to style it. I'm going to start by sectioning the hair off into small sections. Grabbing a detangling comb, I'm going to detangle that section first and then fully saturate it with water. After that, I'll be grabbing a curling gel, applying that to the section, and then using my Denman brush to get these curls to fully pop. I'm going to follow those steps for the entire head, and then I'll come right back. Okay, so now it's time to remove that extra lace so that we can install the wig. Grabbing a pair of scissors, I'm just going to carefully follow the natural hairline of the wig and get rid of that extra lace. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply alcohol to my forehead. After that, I'll be grabbing scalp protector and applying that to my scalp. Grabbing the wig and Eben's Wonder Lace Bond, I'm going to apply a thin layer of that to the hairline of the under portion of the lace. And then I'm going to blow dry. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in its proper placement and then use my fingertips to press the lace into my skin. So after doing some quick baby hairs off camera and applying my makeup, next I'm just going to grab some hair polisher and hair glosser and apply that to the curls. And then I decided to finish off the look by applying this really cute tinseled headband. And I did play around with a few hairstyles with this wig. So you're going to see it all out of my face with the headband and just the hair being in its natural state. And then I did do a low ponytail and then I did a high bun. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I have my own method of making any lace front wig into a 360 wig, which allows you to wear it in a high ponytail or a high bun or a low ponytail or a low bun. And it gives you baby hairs in the back. If you have not seen that video of how to transform your 13x6 lace wigs into a 360 wig, I'll have the link down below or somewhere on the screen for you to click on so that you can see that tutorial. Here's how the wig looked in the back before I did my method. And of course, here is how the wig looks now after my method. Let's chat about it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to this wig from YGwigs down below in the description box. If you're new here, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe. If you are one of my faithful subscribers, I thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.